Sam here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the Scrapper Sam Show. This is actually heavy, whatever it is. Looks like some kind of sprinkler. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Anyway, yeah, it's been kind of tough lately, but I think we're back on track. Hope you guys will enjoy the show today. Scrapper Sam. Just picking up HVAC equipment and stuff like that, and that doesn't really translate into much of a scrap show at all. So I haven't been making video of that, but I've got to get back to making video, and so far today though hasn't been going well. So either someone else has already been out here or someone else has already been out here. I guess the only solution might be to go to the next day's scrap area, so Tuesday's scrap area, and see how it's going there. And if I don't find any scrap there, I might just head home and scrap stuff at my house. We'll see. There's a lot of stuff here. An awful lot of stuff. A little bit of scrap. What is that? Not metal. Wow, you would think of all this stuff. But no, not really. Okay, we'll keep looking. No light bulbs though. That's okay. We'll still get it on, but you know, I've been seeing a lot more people with a lot less scrap at the scrap yard. More people, smaller loads. It looks like economically pressed people, and that's not a good sign. Headed to the Tuesday's pickup day. That's day after tomorrow, and we're doing a little bit better. I think other scrappers have already gotten all the scrap in the other area. I'm gonna have to pick up this guy. Well, okay. This is my and we got this. Well, it turned out to be a good idea. Going to the next day's worth of pickup. Because there's definitely, oh, come on. You know what? I need to rearrange this a little bit. This guy needs to be here, and this guy needs to be here. Okay, that's better. All right, here. Yep, nice. doesn't look that old, really. Yeah, it's got a little use on it though. All right, got another piece of scrap. This is pretty substantial. All right, I'm liking it. A couple of chairs here, or 3 chairs. All right, these 2 I'm going to take. The other one I'm going to leave here, but that's pretty good. Another nice outdoor table. I'm not going to take these, but I will take the table frame, and that feels really light, so that's probably going to be aluminum. Let's ask Mr. Magnet. Mr. Magnet says, yes, I am aluminum. All right, that's great. First one to get to this scrap. Let go. Not the biggest scrap load I've ever seen, but it's starting to shape up pretty nicely. Some little shoe rack. And oh, looks like some wire down there. Well, we got an ice maker here and not much else. Okay, well, we've done pretty good otherwise. We've got a vacuum, a sewing machine, and some other scrap here. Some pipe. Pipe is always good. A Hoover. Very nice indeed. All right, well, we have a few more minutes of daylight left. Need to make the most of those sooner. I would have had time to get a lot more scrap today. But at least I made it, and I'm getting that scrap now, so Excellent. And here, a couple of lamps and a heater. Heater looks like it's in pretty good shape. Let's see. That looks like plastic there. Drying rack. Okay. Gotta like that. Sure here. That's nice. Steel. Kind of heavy. Oh. Okay. Well, that goes there. And this, I am thinking this is aluminum. We'll have to ask Mr. Magnet when we get a chance. We'll just ask Mr. Magnet. Yep, it's aluminum. So, these things actually get pretty good money at the scrapyard. Nice. More scrapping. I'm gonna call it a night here. I got a tire that's I fixed that last week, but it looks like it's having a relapse. So I'm gonna head on home and get some air, and we'll wrap this up tomorrow at the scrapyard. I do appreciate everybody watching, and I'll pick this up again tomorrow morning, and I'll see you then. We're back at the scrapyard, and things still are not being managed very well. Usually there are big trucks here on Monday removing the scrap. This from here over to here should all be removed. There's just no place for people to pull in and unload their scrap without having to drive over pile of scrap. This is how my $150 tires get holes in them. Okay, let's see if I can. So, yeah, I had to take this aluminum in separately. Enough barrels sitting there, you could build a houseboat. One of the groups I subscribe to online is deals with home-built houseboats like that. Oh man, I'm doing my best to get this scrap off here as fast as I can. I don't want to just dump it beside my trailer like some of the other people have been doing. That's just going to make the situation worse here. But we don't want things backed up either, right? We got these motors from my HVAC guy. We're going to turn those in at the small scales. Is any of this gonna be brass? Oh yeah, actually this is brass. Huh. I'll have to set that aside and put it in the small scale bucket. I didn't think it would be brass. Okay, we'll go over to the other side if we can get there. Oh man. I put this wire on here as a kind of a second layer of security for my load, but I didn't realize it would be such a big deal to take it off. And I think we said this was aluminum also. So we have 3 aluminum items today. That's nice. I hope that's not on a nail. Oh. I'm downwind from where he's cutting that metal over there with the torch. I need to get out of here quick. Add that to the small scale box there. This fan is in pretty good shape, but I don't know, not good enough to turn into Goodwill. And it's summer. I'm sure that their inventory of heaters is not a problem right now. Yesterday I was snipping and sorting wire all day, practically. Felt like it was all day. But I got a bunch of wires, so that's the important part. That's plated. And these parts are from some tear downs that I did at the house. Got a lot of that done. Okay, had to stop for a second there. The guys next door were too close for comfort. I don't know if it's another sign of the times or not, but the lamps I've been picking up used to have the light bulbs on them, and lately the light bulbs have been removed before they were scrapped. So okay, we'll clean up that aluminum there and see what we can do with the brass, but right now we're going to check out of here. All right, so the combined total for small scale and large scale was almost $45. Not bad. I mean, it of course can always be better, but I'm happy with that. That's almost 500 pounds worth of material that was diverted from the landfill over to the scrapyard. Got to be happy about that. Thanks everybody for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it all. And if you feel like commenting, please do. I will see you on the next Scrapper Sam show. Scrapper Sam.